box. I do not have a clue what it is, but it says Building the Makers of Tomorrow. What on earth?
What company is it from?
I don't. Creation Crate? That's weird.
Let's open it up.
Looks like I need to pull the sides out. Maybe I don't.
Oh, just the top, I think, there.
Nothing right there.
Where you cut the tape earlier.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh. Ooh.
What is it? Let us see.
Okay, it's bubble wrap. That's what it is. Let's see. Right, it has a sticker saying what it is and the company. You open it up.
And what's inside?
And it, electronics. Oh, there we go. Put that to the side. Don't think I'll need this anymore though. Maybe. Let's see. What is this? Interesting.
Do you think you might like this kit?
I think so. Is this a breadboard? No, it's not a breadboard.
It might be in your book. Why don't you have a wee peek at what it says in there or on that card?
No, that's just a picture.
Maybe see?
Separate each wire, it says.
Okay.
Because they're all attached to be very, 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 very careful.
Hey, what does it say in the book?
Let's see. A mood lamp. I'm going to make a mood lamp. Interesting. Hardware. Right. Let's see.
Does it say what's come with the kit?
It says there's steps in it. Yes, parts list.
Okay, make sure you have all the parts there and let's see what they are.
I am so excited. I have a mood lamp. But I have to make it. Yes. So, I have a light dependent resistor, or for short, LDR. I have a red light and a green light, LED light, and a blue LED light. And I have regular jumper wires. And eight regular jumper wires plus 2 extra. I have U-shaped jumper wires. 6 of them, 3 of each. A 2.2K OHM resistor. A breadboard and a UNR3 a UNOR3 Arduino compatible, a USB cable, and a Chinese paper lantern. So,
As well as your instruction book.
yes, which is really handy as parts list, introduction, hardware program, common errors, exercises, and a sneak peek. So,
Would you like to read the introduction to us so we know what we're doing?
right. So welcome to the Creation Crate Club. You've taken the first step in learning how to build electronics. What are we creating? Today we are making a mood lamp. This lamp changes colors and only turns on when it's dark. How do we make it? In 2 steps. Building the hardware and programming it. We're going to build the hardware first and then write the program to make it run.
Have you done anything like this before?
No!
What were you looking up on the internet last week?
How to make things like this.
Perfect timing.
So, first step is hardware. 1. First, let's connect the components. Light-dependent resistor. So, you take your breadboard, which goes, right, it's different because mine has to be sideways, the numbers. So I don't know which way it goes. I think it goes like this.
Well, maybe we'll come back to this in a few minutes.
Yes.
And are you looking forward to it? Is it better than Christmas?
I think so.
Okay. Do you have anything to say to Creation Crate?
Thank you.